Everyone wants a clean and organized space, but tackling clutter can feel overwhelming. According to a study by UCLA's Center on Everyday Lives of Families, excess clutter can seriously increase stress levels, especially for moms. If you want to reclaim your space and your sanity, get started with one of these organizing challenges. Let's kick things off with challenge number 1, the Declutter 100 Things Challenge. Sounds simple, right? Just find one thing to part ways with each day until you reach 100. Every little bit counts. Remember, toss out the broken stuff and keep a donation box handy for the rest. And when the box is full, drop it off at your nearest thrift store. If you're ready to take things up a notch, challenge number 2 is for you. It's time to live like a minimalist for a month. Choose a room, gather up duplicates and non-essentials and stash them away. Only keep what you absolutely need. It's a true test of what you can live without. And who knows, you might discover a whole new appreciation for simplicity. Challenge number 3 is perfect for tackling that overflowing closet. Turn all your hangers backward, and as you wear clothes, hang them back up the right way. After 30 days, say goodbye to anything still hanging backward. This is a genius way to identify what you really wear and what's just taking up space. Now, if you're short on time, but big on motivation, try this. Find a little bit of time each day for 7 days, and then tackle one room per day and declutter like there's no tomorrow. Start with trash, then move on to donations. You'll be amazed at what you can accomplish in just 7 days. Need some extra accountability? Challenge number 5 has you covered. Join a Reddit Declutter Challenge and connect with others on the same mission. Each month brings new challenges and opportunities to share your progress. Now let's talk about the heart of the home, the kitchen. Challenge number 6 is all about reclaiming those countertops. Put away everything except your daily essentials. And after 30 days, see how much better your kitchen looks and feels. Last but not least, challenge number 7 is all about consolidation. Say goodbye to hunting down misplaced items by keeping like items together. From hair accessories to batteries, keep it all in one convenient spot. And there you have it, 7 organizing challenges to whip your home into shape. Which one are you going to tackle first? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on living your best clutter-free life. Until next time, happy organizing.